Today we will be repotting this aloe vera plant. Look, it has a lot of babies already. That's how they reproduce. Babies grow around the mother plant. Let's remove it first from the pot. You can actually get the babies out of the pot without removing the whole plant. But it is safer to do this, I think. Always be extra careful and gentle when repotting your aloe vera. Because the leaves get detached easily. Each baby has its own roots and they are already separated from their mother, unlike sansevierias or snake plants. It is important to repot aloe vera so they will have more space to grow and they will have more babies. This one is already detached. This is the mother plant. Let's put it in a bigger pot. Then we will pot the babies properly. Final touch, water the newly repotted plants. Then after 1 month, there they are.